Merchant chargebacks have become a major problem for banks. Chargebacks are generating $38 billion in financial losses per year. So what are banks doing about it? They're implementing new laws, policy amendment and enforcement, enhanced restrictions on merchant processing policies. What is this law saying to merchant service providers? Comply or face huge fines, penalties, and critical relationships with banking institutions. What businesses, products, and services will be restricted? Internet digital businesses, crowdfunding, digital products, virtual currency, cryptocurrency, crypto mining equipment, initial coin offerings, forex trading, currency exchanges, high-yield investment programs, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, referral marketing, search engine optimization, solo ad providers, traffic exchanges, software as a service, non-tangible items, lead capture page systems, autoresponders, and many, many more. Are merchant service providers complying? Yes. 67,800 accounts were shut down last week just in the US who use PayPal, Square, and Stripe. 94% of those that were shut down were internet digital businesses. How many more accounts will be affected by these new laws? Millions. Bottom line is this. If you own an internet digital business or you are selling internet digital products and services, your merchant accounts are at risk. Give yourself peace of mind. Your merchant problem is now solved. No more merchants limiting or freezing your accounts. No more disputes and drawbacks. No more worrying if your account will get shut down for selling digital or non-tangible products and services. This is a complete game changer. Contact me to get on our next live webinar and see how you can give yourself peace of mind and give yourself a merchant solution to this ongoing problem that is not going away.